Delta can also be represented in a flexible way along a vertical orientation. It is often highly advantageous to mark coherent chart structures using a delta profile to gain a much clearer and more comprehensive view of the market. In this specific 5-minute candlestick chart for Bitcoin, a very significant and strong delta zone had formed, which also clearly pointed toward the beginning of the subsequent market trend that followed. These specific types of delta barriers can effectively offer strong resistance and support zones.